Imagine a bird that carries water across the desert like a natural canteen. That's the incredible sandgrouse. Living in the deserts and dry grasslands of Africa, Europe, and Asia, these hardy birds can travel over 80 kilometers just to find a water source. The males have a unique gift. Their belly feathers soak up water, which they fly back to share with their thirsty chicks. With powerful wings and fast direct flight, they often resemble pigeons in the sky. Built to endure the toughest heat, sandgrouse are true desert survivors. Imagine a bird that